In place of hello, use it's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Don't use bye. Use take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Similarly, don't use sorry. Use I sincerely apologize. I sincerely apologize. In place of wait, use kindly hold on a moment. Kindly hold on a moment. In place of listen, use may I have your attention? May I have your attention? Don't use tell me. Use could you please explain? Could you please explain? Don't use I know. Use I'm aware of that. I'm aware of that. I want is not very convincing. Use I would like. I would like. I don't know is very old. Use I'm not certain. I'm not certain. Yes is very common. Use absolutely. Absolutely. No is also very old. Use I'm afraid not. I'm afraid not. Come here is very old. Use please step this way. Please step this way. Sit down. Sit down is very common. Use please have a seat. Please have a seat. Help me is also very old. Use could you assist me? Could you assist me? What's up is general. Use how have you been? How have you been? I'm busy sounds rude. Use I'm currently occupied. I'm currently occupied. Good is very general. Use that's excellent. That's excellent. Bad is very general again. Use that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. Right now is very common. Use at the moment. At the moment. Let's go. It's very common. Use shall we proceed? Shall we proceed?